Java File I/O and Serialization. Explore the fundamentals of file input, output and object serialization in Java. This presentation will cover core concepts, essential classes, and practical examples to help you manage data and objects effectively within your Java applications. Chapter 1. Understanding File Handling in Java. Java's Java.io package provides a robust set of classes for performing file operations such as reading, writing, creating, and deleting files. These foundational tools are essential for any application that interacts with the local file system. 1, 2, 3. File. File reader, writer. File input stream, output stream. Represents file, directory path and properties. Reads, writes characters to files. Reads, writes bytes to files. Efficient file reading with buffered reader. For efficient reading of character streams, especially large text files, buffered reader combined with file reader is the recommended approach. It buffers characters to provide efficient reading of lines. Try, buffered reader BR equals new buffered reader, new file reader, file.txt, string line. Well, line equals BR readline, equals null, system.out. Println, line, catch, IO exception E. Print stack trace, reads files line by line, optimizing performance. Try with resources automatically closes resources, preventing leaks. Writing files with buffered writer. Similar to reading, writing text efficiently involves buffered writer paired with file writer. This setup ensures optimal performance by buffering output characters. Try, buffered writer BW equals new buffered writer, new file writer, file.txt, BW. Write, hello, world. Catch, IO exception E. Print stack trace, writes text to a file efficiently. By default, file writer overwrites the file if it exists. To append, pass true as the second argument to the file writer constructor. Chapter 2. Introducing Object Serialization in Java. Serialization is the process of converting an object into a byte stream, allowing it to be saved to a file or transmitted across a network. Deserialization is the reverse, reconstructing the object from the byte stream. Purpose. Requirement. Persist object state or send objects over networks. Classes must implement Java I/O serializable. Mechanism. Uses object output stream and object input stream. Serialization in action. Let's see how a person object can be serialized to a file, person.ser, using object output stream. Notice the serial version UID, crucial for version compatibility. Class person implements serializable, private static final long serial version UID equals 1L, string name, int age, person, string name, int age. This dot name equals name. This dot age equals age. Try, object output stream ooze equals new object output stream, new file output stream, person.ser, person p equals new person, Alice, 30, ooze. Write object, p, catch, IO exception E, print stack trace. Deserialization explained. Once an object is serialized, it can be deserialized back into its original state. This example demonstrates reading the person object from person.ser using object input stream. Try, object input stream OIS equals new object input stream, new file input stream, person.ser, person p equals, person, OIS. Read object, system.out. Println, p.name plus, is, plus p.age plus, years old. Catch, IO exception, class not found exception E. Print stack trace, casts the read object back to its original type, person. Requires handling class not found exception if the class definition is not found. File I/O versus serialization, a comparison. While both file I/O and serialization deal with data persistence, they serve distinct purposes and handle different data types. Understanding their differences is key to choosing the right tool for your task. Aspect. File I/O. Serialization. Purpose. Reading and writing raw data, text or bytes, saving and restoring complete object states. Data type. Text or binary data. Java objects. Interface. No special interface needed. Class must implement serializable. Use case. Reading and writing files like config, logs. Persisting objects or sending over networks. Format. Usually plain text or binary files. Serialized binary object streams. Key takeaways. To summarize, mastering file I/O and serialization empowers you to build robust Java applications capable of persisting data and managing object states effectively. Raw data handling. Object state management. Use file I/O for handling raw data files such as text documents, logs, and configuration files. Leverage serialization to effortlessly save and restore the complete states of Java objects. Exception handling. Version control. Always implement proper I/O exception handling for all file and stream operations to ensure application stability. For serialization, ensure your class implements serializable and consider adding serial version UID for backward compatibility. HelpingLearn. Inspiring minds, building futures. Thank you for your attention. For more resources and to connect with us, visit our website. Contact us. Follow us on whatsapp.com/channel/0029VB6XX and 0VC1KZXKP1T. https://helpinglearn.lovestoblog.com/helpinglearn1@gmail.com